Today I'm fixing the leaky faucet in our bathroom sink. This is a faucet made by Pfister. The model of this particular faucet is Price, and it's engraved in front of it if you look real carefully. These are very good quality and very easy to fix. I'm changing the hot water cartridge only since I have determined that it is the one that's leaking. You can buy a whole new cartridge for this model, and it should last you as long as the old one did. Very easy and quick to install. Before anything, we turn off the water supply under the sink. This will stop the water from gushing out of your faucet when you unscrew it. Look under your sink for two small valves. Turn the valves clockwise to shut off. Make sure they're both off and not leaking. Turn on the faucet you're fixing. This will allow the water in the pipes to run out before you start fixing the faucet. This model has a decorative cap on top of the handles that can barely be seen. Just pull it off in order to access the screw underneath. Unscrew it counterclockwise. And keep the screw and handle somewhere safe so that you find it when you want to put the handle back together. Now we unscrew the headgear nut using an adjustable wrench. Turn it left to undo the nut, and you can apply penetrating oil to the headgear nut here if it's not turning easily, and just leave it soaking for about 10 minutes and it should come off. We will pull off the cartridge and make sure the O-rings are on it and not still in the faucet collar here. Before we install the new one, make sure it matches and that the O-rings are on. The one on top of the thread and the one on the bottom here. Make sure they sit properly. Then make sure the hot and cold water clip is facing the correct way. These cartridges can be used for both hot and cold, depending which side this plastic clip is sitting, and you can change it either way. Then we screw in by hand until band tight. Tighten the nut with an adjustable wrench. And as it gets tight, make sure the handle is in its original placement before you tighten the screw on top. Adjust it as needed. And then just tighten the screw in the handle. Place the decorative cover back onto the top of the handle by clicking it well into place. Turn the shutoff valves under the sink back on by turning them counterclockwise, and check for leaks by turning the handles on and off, and just wait. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps someone out there. If you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll put a link where to order one of these particular Pfister ceramic valves for a Price model faucet. And I hope you all have a great day.